Dear students, let's begin. Today, we are going to start our second chapter, that is polynomials. You have earlier studied about algebraic expressions, their addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. है ना? Let us begin by recalling the terms related to polynomials. First of all, I will start from algebraic expression. You have already studied this in class 8th. What do you mean by algebraic expression? Any expression containing some constants, variables, and the mathematical operations like addition, subtraction is called an algebraic expression. For example, 5x, 2x minus 3, x square plus 1, they are the sum algebraic expression. Other than these examples, x cube plus 5x minus 9 is again an algebraic expression. 1 upon 2x plus 1 is again an algebraic expression. Okay? Now, what do you mean by polynomials? The expression which contains one or more terms with non-zero coefficients is called a polynomial. Got it? Polynomial is also an algebraic expression which contains one or more terms with non-zero coefficients. Coefficients अभी मैं आपको आगे क्लियर करूंगी, जिनको नहीं क्लियर होगा. A polynomial can have any number of terms. For example, in the above example, f5x, it has only one term. 2x minus 3, it has two terms. X square plus 1, again it has two terms. Or if you write y square plus x square plus z square minus 9, so it has four terms. So a polynomial can have any number of terms. For example, 10, it has only one term and that is constant. Then a plus b, then 7x plus y plus 5, it has three terms. Then w plus x plus y plus z, it has four terms. Now next is polynomials in one variable. Which polynomials are known as one variable polynomial? The expressions or polynomials which contains only one type of variable in entire expression is called a polynomial in one variable. Got it? For example, 2x, it has only one variable x and one term. Next example is 2a square plus 2a plus 5. Here you have three terms, but what is the variable? Variable is a only. One more example, maybe it is y raised to the power 5 plus 10. Only two terms and one variable, that is y. What do you mean by term? A term is either a single number or variable, and it can be combination of numbers and variable. For example, consider an expression 6x minus 7, then the term in these expressions are 6x and minus 7. It is very much clear from this example that 6x, in this term you have one constant 6 and variable x, and in minus 7 you have a constant 7 here with mathematical operation minus sign. Next is coefficients. The number multiplied to variable is called as coefficients. For example, 9y. 9 is the coefficient of y. Or 5x square. So 5 is the coefficient of x square. For example, in this example, we have a term 2x and its coefficient of x is 2. Next is constant polynomial. An expression consisting of only constants is called as constant polynomial. For example, only 5, only 10, these are known as constant polynomials. Minus 27 in my example. Got it? Now next is zero polynomial. Zero polynomial means a constant polynomial having 0 is called a zero polynomial. That's all. Next is denoting polynomial in one variable. That means आप किसी भी polynomial को one variable में कैसे लिख सकते हो? Let us take an example to understand it. If the variable in a polynomial is x, then we can denote the polynomial by px or qx, etc. And then, for example, if my polynomial is 7x square plus 7x plus 7, so I can write it as px is equal to 7x square plus 7x plus 7. p के आगे x इसलिए लिखा है क्योंकि यहाँ वेरिएबल x है. In the next example, polynomial is r cube plus 2r plus 1. तो यहाँ वेरिएबल बच्चे r है. अगर r है तो इसे मैं tr या pr कुछ भी लिख सकती हूँ, है ना. qr, r इंडिकेट करता है कि ये पॉलिनोमियल r वेरिएबल में चलता है. सपोज यहाँ वेरिएबल y होता, y रेज टू द पावर 5 प्लस y क्यूब, तो हम इसको ब्रैकेट में y लिखते इंस्टेड ऑफ x और r. नेक्स्ट इज हाउ मेनी types of polynomials are there according to their number of terms. So they are 3 in numbers. First is monomial, then second is binomial, third is trinomial. मैंने यहाँ 3 numbers इसलिए कहा कि आपके कोर्स में इस समय monomial, binomials and trinomials ही पूछे जाते हैं. What do you mean by monomials? The expressions which have only one term are called as monomials. For example, 3x, 2a square, etc. Now, what do you mean by binomials? The expressions which have 2 terms are called as binomials. For example, x plus 10, 7z square plus z, both have 2 terms. है ना. और देखिए यहाँ आपको ये भी क्लियर हो जाएगा कि हमने डिनोटिंग पॉलिनोमियल इन वन वेरिएबल जो ऊपर पढ़ा था अभी, तो यहाँ मैंने लिखा हुआ है इस एग्जांपल में आर एक्स, दैट मीन्स अ पॉलिनोमियल हैविंग वेरिएबल एक्स. सी जेड, अ पॉलिनोमियल हैविंग वेरिएबल जेड. ओके. नाउ व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय ट्राइनोमियल? ट्राइनोमियल मीन्स द एक्सप्रेशंस व्हिच हैव 3 टर्म्स are called as trinomials. For example, 7x square plus x plus 7 or t cube minus 3t plus 4. Both the expressions have 3 terms, so they are the examples of trinomials. Got it, bache? Now, what do you mean by degree of polynomial? Very important. The highest power of the variable in a polynomial is called as the degree of the polynomial. Suppose I am saying my polynomial is x plus 5. So here variable is x and the degree, yani highest power of x is only 1. So it has a degree 1. है ना? For example, in this expression x to the power 5 minus x cube plus 7, highest power of x is 5. So the degree of this polynomial is 5. Note, the degree of a non-zero constant polynomial is 0. Pay attention, okay, on this line. Now, according to the degree, how many types of polynomials are there in your course? Again, there are 3. First is linear polynomial, then second is quadratic polynomial, then third is cubic polynomial. So, which expressions are called linear polynomials? They are a polynomial of degree 1 is called a linear polynomial. For example, 2x minus 7, s plus 5. Here, power of x is 1, power of s is 1. So they have their maximum power or degree as 1. So they are known as linear polynomials. What do you mean by quadratic? A polynomial having highest degree of 2 is called a quadratic polynomial. That means जिस polynomial में variable की maximum power जो होती है अगर वो 2 लिखी हुई है, then it is known as quadratic polynomial. and its general notation is ax square plus bx plus c, where a should not be equal to 0. बच्चे अगर a 0 हो जाएगा तो x स्क्वायर की तो वैल्यू खत्म हो जाएगी, तो ये क्वाड्रेटिक पॉलिनोमियल ही नहीं रह जाएगा, ये लीनियर पॉलिनोमियल में कन्वर्ट हो जाएगा. इसलिए कंडीशन है कि यहाँ पे a की वैल्यू यानी कि कोफिशिएंट ऑफ x स्क्वायर शुड नॉट बी इक्वल टू 0. गॉट इट? And the examples are x square minus 9 and a square plus 7. Here you can see very clearly that power of x and power of a both are 2, so they are known as quadratic polynomial. Now what do you mean by cubic polynomial? A polynomial having highest degree is 3 is called a cubic polynomial. In general expressions we can write it as ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d. Again here the coefficient of x cube, that is denoted by a, should not be equal to 0, क्योंकि अगर a 0 हो जाता है तो ये पॉलिनोमियल b स्क्वायर से स्टार्ट हो जाएगा, तो ये क्यूबिक पॉलिनोमियल नहीं कहलाएगा, ये क्वाड्रेटिक में कन्वर्ट हो जाएगा. So this is the most important factor. Now examples are x cube minus 9x plus 2, that means x की maximum power 3 है, so it's a cubic polynomial. Got it बच्चे? Thank you.